In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text as a quote in Gmail. This is a handy little trick that can add a touch of professionalism to your emails. Whether you're highlighting key points from a previous conversation or referencing an important piece of text. So let's break it down step by step. First, open up your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Now, log into your account using your email address and password, just like you usually would. Once you're signed in, you're ready to begin. At the top left corner of your Gmail interface, you'll find the Compose button. Click on it to start a new email, or if you're responding to an existing message, open that conversation and hit Reply. Now, in the email body, type out or paste the text that you want to quote. This is going to be the focal point of your message, the information you want to highlight for your recipient. Once your text is in place, you'll need to highlight or select it. You can do this simply by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text, which will change the background color, signifying the text is selected. Now direct your attention to the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Here, you'll find several icons that allow you to format your email. One of these is an A inside a small box standing for Formatting Options. Click on this icon to expand more formatting tools. You'll notice a small toolbar appears, full of options to style your text. On the left end of this toolbar is a down arrow button. Go ahead and click on that arrow. Clicking on it reveals a few more icons to explore. Among these, you'll see an icon that resembles a quotation mark or two vertical lines. It's your quote icon. By clicking this quote icon, your selected text will automatically transform. It becomes indented and takes on a quote block format, clearly setting it apart from the rest of your email content. This subtle styling technique not only makes your email look more polished, but also enhances clarity for the recipient, emphasizing the quoted material. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully set your text apart in a quote block. This simple yet effective formatting trick can elevate the quality of your communication, making your emails clearer and more engaging. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel confident using quote blocks in your future Gmail correspondence. Remember to give it a try next time you craft an email that includes important references or highlights. Happy emailing!